Given f of x equals x minus 1 over x and g of x equals 1 over x, what is f of g of 1/2? To solve this composite function, we need to store f of x into y1 and g of x into y2. To begin, press y equals. If you have something stored in y1 and y2, tab to both and press clear. Tab back up to y1 and enter f of x into y1. Press x minus alpha f1. Select 1, enter 1 over x. Now enter g of x into y2. Alpha f1. Select 1. Now enter 1 over x. Press second quit to go back to the home screen. Remember, f of x is stored in the variable y1, and g of x is stored in the variable y2. Now let's enter the problem exactly as you see it, substituting f of x for y1 and g of x for y2. Press alpha F4. You are presented with a set of y variables. Press enter for y1. Press the open parenthesis. Press alpha F4 again. Now tab down to y2 or press 2 to select y2. Press the open parenthesis. Press alpha F1 to access the fraction template shortcut menu. Press enter to select the standard template. Enter the fraction 1/2. Press the close parenthesis. Now press the close parenthesis again to close your problem. Finally, press enter to solve. Our solution states that when x equals 1/2 and given f of x equals x minus 1 over x and g of x equals 1 over x, f of g of 1/2 is equal to 3 over 2.